Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Michael.
I'm Emily.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
That's nice. Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Do you live here with your family?
Yes, I live here with my family.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
What do you do?
I'm a college student.
What do you study?
I study business.
That's interesting.
What do you do?
I work for a small company.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a software developer.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 2 years.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I really enjoy my job.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music and watching movies.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and traveling.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is New York City.
That sounds nice.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I usually spend time with my family.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you, too.
I hope we can talk again.
Have a great day.
What should we learn next? Meeting someone new or ordering food? Please tell us in the below comments. Goodbye and see you next episode. Thanks for watching.